Actually, I started my career as a pharmacologist. And so I got my PhD in pharmacology, kind of understanding how drugs work. And then I went back to medical school and did the medical school part. And then I sort of have now melded those together. And so being able to sort of humanize that and help people more directly was really kind of the reason to do that. And one of the best areas to do that is actually within oncology. And so when you think about cancer therapies, we have a long way to go. There's a lot of improvement we need to make. And so, it's a lot of very, very interesting disease processes, a lot of interesting drugs. We have a lot of new discoveries, and we're making new discoveries. And so it was a kind of a cool way to mix the pharmacology background with the medical science part. If I see a patient, there's absolutely nothing that we can't do. It's if they need something from a surgical side, if they need other medical specialties. It's a fascinating place to train. I was more on the medical side, but a lot of patients came here because of surgical problems, but they bring all of their medical problems with them. And so, it's just a fascinating place, and it's limitless in terms of what we can do. I think one of the biggest things we have to offer is really resources for patients. Particularly at Taussig, we are very, very patient-centered. From the moment they get out of the car and they walk in the door, they're greeted by someone that helps them find where they need to be. We also have a tremendous amount of ability to do clinical trials. And so, one of the things I do is clinical trials, and it's really, really important because, we don't have great therapies in a lot of different cancers, and the only way we get better is to develop new drugs. And that's one thing we can do here at the clinic in a really, really robust way.